Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're just going to be doing a random shopping haul. So I'm just going to be sharing with you what products that I've actually recently purchased: makeup, clothing and perfumes. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. I really appreciate all your support, guys. If you guys wanted to join me, what things that I've actually recently purchased, please keep on watching. Randomly, I purchased this from Sephora, Priceline, from Chemist Warehouse, Quartz Beauty, Morphe brushes, and from Target. Purchased a couple of perfumes. Design perfumes here, guys, and this is called is that Levici or Levis, and this is the Bold and Free and Glamorous, and I believe these are actually Australian owned, guys. I did purchase this from Priceline. KNY Stories makeup removal towel, foundation sponge that I've also purchased. I actually haven't tried this sponge from Manicare. The Eyelure Lux Fox Mink Lashes, this new foundation from Maybelline, which is the Super Stay, up to 30-hour wear. Oh my gosh, it's like their active wear. So I actually love their the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation, guys, and I'm also going to test this foundation. So we're going to be doing a lot of testing of makeups, guys. Is this L'Oreal Infallible Magic Loose powder from Flower Beauty blending sponge of jelly highlighter. Brushes, I actually picked up a couple of their gel liners. Their palette, which is a 35M Boss Mood. The brush Last, the 10-piece eye brush set. Did shopping with Quartz Beauty makeup brushes set, and then just randomly from Target, I've just picked up a shirt. Only got this for $5. Just a t-shirt from Target. I also picked up a couple of shorts that they're so comfortable, similar to a track pants as well, that I picked up. Lastly will be from Sephora. So I actually did a bit of shopping from Sephora, and I will also got a lot of freebies. Zoeva Aristo eyeshadow palette. Actually haven't tried the Zoeva eyeshadow yet. The Bite Beauty, this is their limited edition. Getting a 3 lip stains tip. Pat McGrath Labs Mini Last Gloss. This one. Picked up the Fenty Beauty Face and Body Kabuki brush, and I actually haven't got this type of kabuki brush, so yeah, I think it's called Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmering Swan Glow Up. This is a highlighter. Picked up the Sephora brand Best Skin Ever. This is their long wear foundation. Picked up the Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. Also got free stuff from Sephora. Sample, which is the Becca the Ultimate Coverage Foundation. So this is gonna be good to try. Also got a free the Perfect Blend of Wax and Pigment, which is the Brow Definer. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's a Saturday Skin Water Cream. This one too, guys, is actually free. Another one, which is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. Youth to the People. I've actually got this Tarte and Clay Waterproof Bronzer. And you also get the mascara, guys. pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.